Want that honey glow skin and thick, natural hair without spending a fortune? These 15 tips are all you need, and they actually work. Forget filters. You're about to glow like the morning sun over Sydney and grow hair like the forests of Vancouver. From Berlin rooftops to Nairobi's herbal markets, these global beauty rituals will transform your skin and hair using only nature's magic. Honey skin plus hair growth. Each point includes micro-hook, curiosity, explanation, cultural or natural example, emotional payoff. Double cleanse like Seoul, the 60-second rule. Korean women swear by for radiant skin. Use oil-based cleanser, then gentle foam. Popular in Korean night routines for removing sunscreen and pollution. Leaves your skin clear, prepped, and calm. Scalp massage with warm oil. Think facial for your scalp, it's that powerful. Use rosemary, castor, or coconut oil. Common Sunday ritual in India and the UK's Afro-Caribbean communities. Promotes blood flow, reduces tension, and wakes up hair follicles. Hydration sandwich method. Hydrated skin is glassy skin, but most people skip this secret step. Mist, apply serum, seal with cream. Scandinavian skincare routines prioritize moisture layering, reduces fine lines and dullness over time. Overnight honey meds, the kitchen ingredient that turns dry skin to dewy velvet overnight. Mix raw honey plus aloe plus yogurt. Ancient Greek and Middle Eastern beauty trick. Soothes inflammation, softens texture. Silk pillowcases equals no breakage. Your cotton pillow might be breaking your hair. Switch to silk to reduce friction. Recommended by NYC dermatologists and London trichologists. Reduces frizz and skin irritation. Rice water hair rinse, used by the world's longest haired women for centuries. Soak rice, ferment water, rinse after shampoo. From the Yao women of China to global TikTok hacks and shine, reduces shedding. Gua sha or jade rolling. It's not just a trend, it sculpts and drains. Daily use depuffs, boosts lymphatic drainage. Popular in Canadian self-care mornings and Melbourne beauty spas. Tones jawline, improves skin glow. Weekly hair steaming. You condition your hair, but do you let it truly absorb? Use a warm towel wrap or steam bath. Afro hair care salons in Toronto and Berlin swear by it. Deeply hydrates and strengthens strands. Layer with niacinamide serum. Pores, redness, niacinamide is your new bestie. Brightens and evens tone. Trending in Aussie skincare communities and UK's Boots aisles. Glows you up in 2 weeks with consistency. Cold rinse finish for hair and face. End every shower with a 10-second chill blast. Tightens cuticles and pores. Scandinavian and Nordic beauty staple. Adds shine, locks and moisture. Glow isn't something you buy, it's something you build, one day, one ritual at a time. Tag a friend who deserves to glow. Hashtag honey skin, hashtag hair growth challenge.